There are 3 hidden behaviors quietly freezing your bank account in place. If you are doing them, your money will never grow. Today, we are done talking about financial theory. In the next 6 minutes, we are going to build a live, functional rescue system together. To execute this right now, you need 3 things open on your screen: your online banking portal, a blank spreadsheet, and your basic identity documents. Listening to advice doesn't break the cycle of financial paralysis. Actually clicking the buttons and locking a new system into place does. Pillar number 1 is buying things to impress people who don't even care. Let's fix it. Pull up your bank statement and filter for the last 30 days. We are going to apply a strict, objective filter to these transactions. Look at your spending and ask yourself, would you still pay for this if no one else could ever see it? Scan the list and isolate just one specific charge that fails that test. When you try to audit your own lifestyle, your brain will immediately invent excuses to defend these purchases as necessary. Ignore the excuses. Click into that subscription or pull up the receipt and initiate the cancellation or return right now. This diagram shows the immediate cash flow recovery. You just clawed that money back into your control. Permanently cutting a status expense does 2 things. It frees up actual cash, and it clears the psychological bandwidth required to start accumulating real wealth. The second pillar is living paycheck to paycheck because you never track your spending. To solve this, open a blank Google Sheet. This diagram shows the exact layout you need. In row 1, type date, amount, and category. Do not create 20 different spending tags. That is how systems fail. Restrict your categories to exactly 3 buckets: needs, wants, and savings. Now look at your bank tab and type in your last 3 purchases to test the layout. Add a basic sum formula at the bottom of the amount column. Now you can watch your total spending subtract from your remaining paycheck in real time. Do not waste time trying to log the past 12 months. This sheet is built exclusively to manage the transactions you make starting tomorrow. A tracker is not a punishment. It is an awareness mechanism that forces you to be intentional with every dollar you have left. The final pillar of financial stagnation is avoiding investing entirely because you think it's complicated. Pick up your phone and open a beginner-friendly brokerage app. We are going to bypass the stress of picking individual stocks entirely. Type VOO into the search bar to locate a single low-cost S&P 500 index fund. You do not need thousands of dollars to start. Fractional shares allow you to buy slices of that fund with whatever cash you have available. Locate the automated investment feature in your app settings. Tap the toggle for Recurring Auto Invest. Set the recurring transfer to a highly manageable micro amount. $10 a week is a perfect starting point. Review the details, hit submit, and send the order to the market. By automating that $10 transfer, you stop acting solely as a passive consumer and immediately begin operating as an active owner. In less than 6 minutes, you executed 3 structural shifts. You cut a toxic expense, you activated a live tracker, and you automated a real investment. This chart shows exactly what happens to your trajectory. You cut off the flat line of financial stagnation and locked in an automated engine for compounding growth. Your challenge for the next 7 days is strict. Log every single purchase in your new sheet and monitor your account to watch that first automated investment clear. When you fix these 3 pillars, you stop hoping your bank account will grow and you build the machinery that ensures it actually does.